Hey everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and these are my striped pillow covers from Chintar.
These gorgeous pillow covers can go with so many different styles, whether it's nautical or farmhouse. They are really soft. They have a linen-like texture, so they're 80% cotton. So they're not like those canvas pillows you're gonna find. They're not scratchy. They feel really good. The stitching is also really well done, and these hold up well in the washing machine. Washing them on delicate. These are the 18 by 18 inch, and my 18 by 18 insert fit perfectly and really filled them up nicely. Since these are 80% cotton and 20% polyester and they almost have that linen feel, they're really nice and soft and lightweight. They also have a really good zipper on them that has no problem closing and opening really easily. And the side of the zipper doesn't have an extra border, so you always know that that is the bottom of your pillow. These pillows are also great because you have two different sides to choose from. On the front, you have this double-sided stripe, so horizontal stripes and vertical stripes, which looks really cool together. And on the back, you have a solid stripe. So as you can see here, you can decide which side of the pillow matches your style best. These pillows look so stylish and they are also so cozy, so I highly recommend them.
But that's just my point of view.